As it pleases the court, my daughter, I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa. Thank you.
On Friday, I had the impression that you said you do not want to, when you ask questions by the state.
I was referring to the statement, my lord, which was written. I was just indicating up to where I went with my statement.
Yeah, fine, I hear you. But the point is, the prosecutor is using that, was using it to ask questions. I understand you say you don't anticipate further because that statement apparently is written by Gininda.
Ngiyakuzwa lokho kushoyo. Kodwa umshushisi ke manje usebenzisa sona istatement leso. Wabe usuthi ke wena ke awusayimiseleke ukuqhubeka ngaso istatement washo ukuthi ugcina la phela la wena ke okwaziyo ngoba istatement leso sabhalwa. Yes, my
right. For that reason you stay.
Ngaleso sizathu leso ke uthi ke manje awusazoqhubeka ke uphendule imibuzo ebuzwa uyena umshisi. Yes, my lord, if it is that the state continues with that statement, because I indicated that the last part where it involves me, it's where it indicates that myself and my brother were in prison, were arrested.
Am I correct? I've heard you to say you have signed each and every page statement. I haven't had sight of it.
Istatement lesi mina angasibonike kodwa ingabe ngibuzwe kahle yini ukuthi ke page lesa statement wayisayina. Yes, my lord, I signed because after Gininda was finished, he asked me to sign, or he told me to sign.
Okay. Am I also correct that at the beginning of your cross-examination, right, Mr. Wanda, you answered questions?
Ingabe ngikhuluma iqiniso yini ukuthi ke eqaleni la ingabe ngikhuluma iqiniso yini ukuthi ke eqaleni la ebeqala khona ke ukuthi ke pheke ngemibuzo shushisi umphendulile leyo mibuzo ebekuza yona eqaleni. Yes, my lord, because that is where I indicated that's where I started, and then I also indicated where I ended.
Am I also correct that when Mr. Ramosepili was, you answered Mr. Ramos?
Uma kona yini ke uma ngithi ke ngesikhathi ke ubuhloni imibuzo uyena ke umnumzana uRamosepili ukuthi ke imibuzo bekubuza yona umnumzana uRamosepili uyiphendulile leyo. Yes, my lord.
Okay, I'll be failing my duty if I do not warn you what of the witness are in this, which is a court of law.
Ngizobeke angiwenzi umsebenzi wami uma ngingakwexwayisike ukuthi ke umsebenzi womuntu owufakazi enkantolo yomthetho uyini.
Okay, and this is what the law says.
Yilokhu ke okushiwo umthetho.
Section 189(1) of the Criminal Procedure Act says the following.
Umthetho ke ongaphansi kwakhe ke section 189 usho lokhu okulandelayo.
If any person present at criminal proceedings is required to give evidence at such proceedings and refuses to be sworn or to make an affirmation as a witness.
Ukuba nanoma yimuphi ke umuntu okhona ke kwinkantolo la equla khona ke icala nokuthi umuntu loyo ke useyanqaba ke ukuthi athathe isibungo noma ke aqinisekiseke ukuthi lokwazi okusho iqiniso.
That person, if he refuses to answer any questions put to him, or refuses or fails to produce any book, paper, document required to be produced by him.
Uma ngabe umuntu loyo ke enqaba ukuthi ke aphendule nanoma yimuphi umbuzo ke obuzwa yena noma ke ukhona ubufakazi obudingekayo ufunekayo noma incwadi iphepha nanoma yini nje efunekayo.
The court may in a summary manner inquire into such refusal or failure, and unless the person so refusing or failing has a just excuse for his refusal or failure.
Inkantolo iyakwazi ke ukuthi ke ibese yona ke iyaqala ke ukuthi manje iphenyeke noma ibuzeke ifuna ukwazi izathu noma ke inhloso ukuthi ke kungani ke umuntu loyo enqaba ngaphandle kokuthi ke kuyazwakala ke noma kuyatholakala ukuthi kukhona ke okuzwakalayo noma kuyizathu ke ekuyisona esimbangela ukuthi ke akwenze lokho.
The court may sentence that person to imprisonment for a period not exceeding 2 years.
Inkantolo iyakwazi ukuthi umuntu loyo ke imgwebeleke ejele isikhathi ke esingeqanga noma singandlulanga kwiminyaka emibili.
Or where the criminal proceedings in questions relate to an offense referred to in Part 2 of Schedule 2, where the court may, in a summary manner, inquire into such refusal and failure. And unless the person so refusing or failing to have a just excuse for his refusal or failure, right?
We already passed that one. It was referring to part 2.
Yeah, just continue with it. So you've interpreted up to where?
I think we ended at the period, for a period not exceeding 2 years, my lord. And then it goes on where it says where the criminal proceedings in question relate offense referred in part 2. I think that's
Okay,
where we.
referred to in part 2 of Schedule 2.
Lana-ke uma iqhubeka-ke ithi-ke ngaphandleni kokuthi-ke la khona-ke isenzo leso-ke noma-ke uqulwa kwecala-ke la lobolelesi lobo lokho okukhulunywa ngakho-ke kungaphansi kwawo umthetho obhaliweke ngaphansi kwaso isigaba noma-ke upart 2 wakhe uschedule 2 isikhathi-ke esingandlulanga noma-ke esingeqile kwiminyaka emihlanu. Ngokuthi-ke icala noma ubulelesi lobo-ke lobo kukhulunywa ngabo bungani.
What it basically means is that in such a case, suppose Schedule Part 2 of Schedule 2, I take it also means where the court is dealing with a charge of murder.
Lana-ke okushiwo-ke ile ndawo-ke efundiwe lana ukuthi-ke uma ngabe kukhulunywa-ke ngecala-ke lobulelesi elinokubulala phakathi.
You may be sentenced to 5 years imprisonment.
Inkantolo-ke iyakwazi-ke ukuthi-ke isingagweba-ke iminyaka emihlanu ejele.
Unless you have a just cause why you are refusing to answer the questions.
Ngaphandle kokuthi-ke unesizathu-ke okuyisona esizwakalayo futhi-ke noma esamukelekayo sokuthi kungani ungayimisele ukuthi uphendule noma
Do you understand?
ingabe uyezwa yini? Yes, my lord.
In other words, you've taken an oath to give evidence.
Ngamanye amagama-ke uthathe isifungo sokuthi uzokwethula ubufakazi kule nkantolo.
And what is peculiar about this case, it's not that at the beginning you said you don't want to answer questions.
Kodwa-ke manje-ke okukhethekile-ke noma kodwa-ke lana ukuthi akusiyona indaba noma udaba lokuthi-ke eqaleni uvele watsho nje kuqala nje wathi cha angiyimisele ukuphendula imibuzo.
Some witnesses do that.
Abanye ofakazi bayakwenza lokho.
But you initially gave evidence in this court after taking an oath to do so.
Kodwa wena-ke emuva kokuthi-ke uthathe isifungo uye waqhubeka-ke ngokuthi wethula ubufakazi.
Unless you provide a legal reason why you now no longer want evidence.
Ngaphandle kokuthi-ke manje usunganikeza-ke isizathu-ke ngokwezomthetho noma-ke ngokusemthethweni sokuthi-ke kungani-ke ungasafisi-ke noma ungasafuni-ke manje ukuthi-ke uqhubeke ngokwethula ubufakazi.
This court has to summarily inquire as to the reason why you are not now prepared to give evidence.
Manje-ke le nkantolo-ke kufanele-ke manje ukuthi-ke iphenyeke noma ibuzeke kuwena-ke ukuthi-ke kungani ungasafisi noma ungasayimisele ukuthi-ke uqhubeke ngokwethula ubufakazi.
As I say, in terms of the law, they say if you have a just excuse which the court interrogates and finds it to be legally cogent, but if not, then the court must take action against your recalcitrant.
Nanjengoba kubhaliwe-ke lana ukuthi-ke kufanele-ke kube yinkantolo-ke manje eseyiza kuwena-ke ithi-ke ngaphandle ibuze kuwena uma ngabe kutholakala ukuthi cha sinesizathu-ke ezizwakalayo ngokwezomthetho noma-ke ngokusemthethweni osinikezayo ukuthi kungani. Kodwa-ke uma kuwukuthi-ke cha asikona nje lokho-ke inkantolo kufanele-ke ukuthi-ke ithathe amanyathelo ngakuwena.
And you've got the right to obtain legal advice.
Unelungelo-ke lokuthi-ke manje usungahamba-ke uyocela-ke ukweluleka ngokwezomthetho.
Which is a constitutional right.
Okuyilungelo-ke onalo ngokomthethosisekelo.
To give instructions to an attorney or an advocate to advise you accordingly.
La ozokhuluma khona-ke nommeli noma-ke u-advocate yena-ke ozokutshela-ke manje-ke noma ozokweluleka-ke ngokomthetho ukuthi cha kuhamba kanje.
So that you are aware of the consequences.
Ukuze-ke uzokwazi-ke ukuthi-ke imiphumela yalokhu iyini.
So this court is going to adjourn until you have acquired legal advice. You can approach the legal aid board, or if you have the means of instructing a private attorney or advocate, you can do so by yourself to get that legal advice, because this is a serious matter. It's not a joke.
Manje-ke le nkantolo lena izoguqa-ke ukuthi ke manje wena uhambeke uyothola ummeli noma ke uzoya ku legal aid noma ke uzohamba uyoyifunela ke ummeli ozomkhokhela wena ke ukuthi ke ukhulume naye ke umtshele ngalo daba lolu ngoba ke udaba lolu ke olubucayi kabi.
So this court is going to adjourn. When is the recess?
Friday is the last day, man.
Friday.
Coming back on the
Okay. This court is going to adjourn until Friday to obtain that legal advice as what the consequences are of a witness who takes an oath to tell the truth, nothing but the truth, and a witness who is aware of the gravity of this case, which is in charge of murder.
Inkantolo ke manje izokunikeza ke lelo thuba ke ukuthi inkantolo sizoguqa ke kuze kube ngoLwesihlanu ukuthi ngoLwesihlanu ukuthi ke uyitholeleke ummeli loyo ke ozothi ke manje ke azokutshela ke noma ke akunike izeluleko ukuthi ke kwicala elikanjena ke kwenzeka kanjani ngenxa ke yobucayi becala leli.
Okay. Tell me, where do they house it? Where is it stationed at the moment?
Nanjengamanje nje ngitholile.
Was that?
Koshimampolo man.
Oh, it's Koshimampolo. Okay, so we are adjourned until Friday. And then Friday, you'll tell me whether you have acquired an attorney or not. If you want an extension for that period, the court will grant it.
NgoLwesihlanu kuzokwenzeka usuzobuya kuzotshela inkantolo ukuthi ummeli umtholile noma cha uma kuwukuthi ke usadinga ukuthi unikezwe ke isikhathi then ukuthi ke sincane lesi sikhathi esinikeziwe uzoyitshela ke inkantolo ngoLwesihlanu.